What's going on, everybody? And today I will be going over nested if statements. Someone from my formative assessment groups asked me to make a video about this, and I will now be doing it. So basically, if statements, they belong in like pairs. So as you can see, this if right here and this else is parallel to each other. So these guys are going to be together. So if this one gets run, this guy will not get ran, and so on. I'll show an example more on that. And here we have an if statement down here is if my second input is Bane, then it's going to print out what's going on Bane. So essentially, if this if statement is true, everything in the highlight, or should I say everything in the highlight right here will run. And if user2 is equal to Bane, then this will only run. But no matter what happens, end of program will get printed, and OK will only be printed if the user input is not 5. So now I will be demonstrating this, and real quick, this is PyCharm. This is an IDE that Professor Thornton will have you guys use for ICS 33. I usually use VS Code, but I think this is easier to see. So I will now click the run button, and it's going to ask me to press a number. So I'm going to click 6. And here it doesn't matter, it says I can enter whatever name. This actually doesn't matter. It'd probably be more efficient if I put it like down here somewhere. But yeah, so what should happen is it'll check whether I have inputted 5. Because I didn't, it'll just print OK and then end of program. And as you can see, that is exactly what happens. So the only time this would ever run is if I inputted 5 and Bane. These two have to happen for this print statement to happen. And yeah, let's do that. So I will enter 5, and I will enter Bane. And as you can see, I forgot to convert it to an integer. Give me a second. All right, sorry about that. Forgot to convert it into an integer. The reason why that didn't happen was I entered the string 5, and the string 5 is different than the integer 5. It's actually a good catch on, our end here. So we're going to run it again, do 5, and then do Bane. And then as you can see, it says, okay, cool, because we have entered 5. And because I've entered Bane, it's going to say, what's going on, Bane? And no matter what happens, end of program. So that's how conditional statements work. If you guys have any other questions, please feel free to let me know. You guys should know my email, allegedly. So yeah, bye guys. Good luck tomorrow.